everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I am unboxing my Paper Box mini subscription for May 2019. So this is what the packaging looks like. It always comes like in a unique package every month. It always looks different. So if you have not seen any of my Paper Box unboxings before by me or anyone else, this is a personalized stationery subscription. And this is the mini, so they have multiple versions. The mini subscription is only $10 per month, which is super awesome, and it comes with 3 personalized notepads. And they also have the grand subscription, which is $28 a month, and you get a lot more personalized stationery items in there, like notepads, notebooks, like cards. They're really awesome. I will link my most recent video in the description box if you haven't seen it. I love it. I was just organizing the other day and I have so many cards and so much stuff to go to when needed, and I have notepads everywhere. I even have one in front of me right now in case I have any notes. Sorry, that was loud. For filming and stuff like that. So they're all over my house. I find it really useful. So if you're someone that loves to jot notes down or reminders and all of that, if you like cute personalized cards, you will love this subscription. There is a coupon code that gets you $10 off the grand subscription. I'll leave all the information down below. But anyways, let's get unbagging. I almost said unboxing, but this is a bag. So inside the bag, this is what I see. Everything is held together by this little piece of paper. And there's a note here that says May 2019 mini subscription. Thank you everyone for being part of our family. We are looking to the future this month with our holographic inspiration. May you and your future self have a fun and colorful month. Oh, that's cute. So there is the card, and there are 3 notepads, like I said, and they all have my name on it, it looks like. They all are similar prints. This is what they look like from afar. So let's start with the top one. This is lined, and then it says kitty on the bottom, and you could see that it is very colorful. This is pretty big. Look, it's taking up most of my screen. This would be good for making grocery lists and stuff like that. I love line sheets for that. And then we have a similar one, but it is wider, and it has kitty on top opposed to the bottom. And then the last one is solid. There's no lines, and I think this is the same size, or is it bigger? Yeah, these two are the same size. And this is what it looks like. So these are cute. This isn't the most exciting month. Sometimes you'll get notepads that have actual stuff on them, it'll actually say shopping list or cleaning list, and would list all of the rooms. There's one that was all about self-care. I thought that was really cool, but I don't mind getting plain notepads because those are better for list making and stuff like that. You don't always just grab your self-care list. I mean, I should grab that more often. I've been pretty good about self-care though. Gotta give myself some credit. But yeah, so I think they're cute this month. What do you guys think? So this is a super quick video because it is just 3 notepads. I wanted to ask your opinion. I feel like I ask you guys questions all the time. I hope you don't mind, but I really want you guys to enjoy me and my channel, and our channel I should say. So do you think I should unbox both the mini and the regular box at the same time, or do you like them separate? Because I always get the grand subscription at the end of the month prior. I think I unboxed mine at the end of April, or maybe the 1st of May. It comes really early. And this one comes in the middle of May, or the 1st or the 2nd week. So I could wait to open them both together, or I can continue doing them separate. I would love to hear your opinion, so thank you in advance. And I thank you so much for being here. I will leave any giveaways going on down in the description box. I think there's 2 open right now, so definitely check those out if you have not yet already. And of course, I will leave the link to this box along with the grand subscription video link. So thank you for being here. I love you guys so much. I hope you consider subscribing before you go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.